Sometimes we don't always pick recipes with exotic ingredients. Sometimes we pick good old-fashioned comfort food. And in this case, it's a deconstructed chicken pot pie. Basically, it's chicken pot pie meets shepherd's pie. There's no crust. Instead of the crust, you have mashed potatoes on top. And you get to see what it's all about. Enjoy. When I cut onions, I leave the root so that it doesn't fall apart. The chicken is seasoned, in it goes. Savory celery seed spices. Now we throw some water in there to deglaze the pan. Alright, pan is deglazed. Let's get the chicken out of here. And ready for the veggies. Carrots, celery, and onions. Now we can pull apart the chicken. We add butter, 2 tablespoons. And some salt. And a bit of pepper. Now the butter has melted, we add the flour. Yeah, it's kind of like a roux, I guess, eh?
Oh, it definitely is a roux.
Yeah, I know you should cook it to get the flavor, right? Yeah, because you don't want to taste raw flour. Now we add 1.5 cups of water and the demi-glace. All right, it's starting to thicken up. Now we add the remaining spices. And peas, and the chicken. Butter, and the sour cream. A little bit of salt, a little pepper. And we mash. Looks good. Now we transfer this into an oven-proof container. This goes in the oven on broil for a couple of minutes. Oh, look at that. Yeah. We've let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks great. It looks great. Give it a try. Delicious.